Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm just doing an informal showcase to show an album that I made for my best friend's birthday, and I used the Once Upon a Springtime craft kit from Graphic 45 that is not new at all. As a matter of fact, it was given to me when my aunt was cleaning out her stash. So I just followed the directions and altered a lot of them to make them my own, and just wanted to show you what I made. Really, sometimes it's nice to just see some inspiration. So this is just a basic accordion album. It turned out to be a little bit thicker than I think was intended by the kit. If I would have known that, I probably would have made this a little bit thicker, but in actuality I think it came pre-scored, so yeah. Anyway, I have right here some, you know what I'm going to do here? Let me just make this a little bit closer. How's that? So in here, when you open it up, it says today's your lucky day. And that did not, some of the stuff didn't come with the kit, some of it did. And I have some just little pull things out of a little pocket. And then here I made another little pocket, and like this dream thing didn't come with it, or this, I just added some stuff. Once Upon a Springtime, and room for a photo here. I really like that a lot. And then this, okay, so this is sort of experimental, and I put these instructions here for my friend so she knows what to do, because I'm sending this to her in the mail. So what I basically want to happen is for her to find a picture or whatever, stick the picture, I put the measurements there, stick the picture here, and I put a little pencil mark there. But then, and then have her glue it with like a glue stick or something, and then she put it back in, and then it's there like that. See, isn't that cute? I like that a lot. So that's that. And then, oh, what happened here? Oh, just nothing. So then you accordion this out, and it really, for you to see the whole, I really should do this better. Oops. So it goes pretty far. It's clear across my desk. This is the one we just did, this pull tab. This is just one of the little embellishment cards, and I made a little tuck spot. Honestly, I had a bunch of these strips left over and just glued them all together on a piece of cardstock and put it down as a pocket, because I had just all these random strips left over from the paper, so that was an afterthought. This flips up, and there's a space for a photo right here. I don't have a horizontal one ready, but just imagine that's a horizontal photo. Okay. And then, okay, so this one, I have this, again, for my friend, little instructions. I want her to peel off, this is double-sided foam, and I want her to peel off the paper. It's sticky there on the brown, and then for her to stick a 4x4 picture just right there of whatever. I think that'll look good for her. And then here's another one of these pull tabs that she could put a picture in and then replace it back into the frame. I like the fairies too, that's cute. Then folds kind of like a map. Well, then you have to move it to the other side so you can open up the back. Okay. Oopsie. This is just a place for a 2x2 square that you could just plunk right down. Then this says follow your heart. This is just a nice decorative page. Here she can put a 4x5. This isn't a 4x5, but just a picture there, right? Here's a flip up for another picture there. Once Upon a Springtime. It looks really nice. And there's that tuck spot. Okay, I don't have one small enough. Oh, I guess I do. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, and the other thing too about those tuck spots, this is just like a nice little, just like a little keepsake album. You know how sometimes you have pictures, you want to put them in, but you just don't have any room for them. You could stick them in those tuck spots. Or if you're in the middle of cutting your pictures, you could find the ones you want to work with and just slide them in there until you get to them. So that's what I made. her birthday's coming up. So I'm going to get this in the mail, but just wanted to show you what I made. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching, and thanks for hitting that subscribe button. That really means a lot. And head over to my Facebook page and you could see some other stuff, because sometimes I put stuff on my Facebook page or my Instagram that I don't always make like full videos for or something like that. So head over there and check that out, Sandpaper Road. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.